Welcome to YaasWais GrammarS. Today I will tell you the methods and steps how to speak up, especially when it matters. How to speak up, especially when it matters. Before telling you the steps, let me tell you something that is important or essential to know. When you notice something ethically questionable, encounter offensive speech, or disagree with consensus opinion, speaking up can be hard to do. So what people do? Most of the people tend to not act and then rationalize their inaction. But you are not really doing your job. As a diligent employee, compassionate colleague, or thoughtful leader, if you don't lend your voice to the conversation. So what can you do, especially in that case? Let me tell you the steps. I will tell you the most acceptable or actually experienced 3 steps of all. All you need to do is, first, realize how psychologically difficult but worthwhile speaking up can be. Second, work to lessen the social threat that it creates, making it clear that you are not out to get anyone. Third and the last, make an if-then plan. If I see this, then I will do that.